Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to the Germs English class. Today we are going to learn the different sounds of English alphabet. The phonetics. Phonetics is the relationship between the sounds of each word, each alphabet that we pronounce. Okay? This lesson will help you to understand how you can pronounce each word with the help of each alphabet and help you to read. This is called phonetics, and with symbols and sounds it will help us to learn. I will be teaching you only the sound, how to pronounce it. So let's get started. A says a as in ant. A says a as in ant. A axe. A atlas. A apple. B says b as in ball. Look at this ball. B says b as in ball. B baby. B boy. B banana. B says b as in ball. C says k as in cap. C says k as in cap. K cow. K car. K cat. C says k as in cap. D says d as in dog. D says d as in dog. D dolphin. D deer. D doll. D says d as in dog. E says eh as in engine. E says eh as in engine. Elephant. Egg. Envelope. E says as in engine. F says as in frog. F says as in frog. Fig. Fox. Fish. G says g as in goat. G says g as in goat. Look at this goat. G gate. G gift. G girl. G says g as in goat. H says h as in hut. H says h as in hut. Hut. H hat. H hot. H horse. H says h as in hut. I says E as in igloo. I says E as in igloo. Igloo. I India. Infant. Ink pot. I says E as in igloo. J says J as in joker. J says J as in joker. Look at this joker. J jeans. J jacket. J jig. J says J as in joker. K says K as in king. K says K as in king. King, Raja. K key. K kettle. K kite. K says K as in king. L says L as in lamp. L says L as in lamb. Lamb. L says L as in lamb. Look at this. Lamb. Lamb. L lemon. L lion. M says as in mango. M says as in mango. Mango. Monkey. Mop. Mirror. Yum says as in mango. This is yen. Yen says as in nurse. N says as in nurse. Nurse. Net. Nose. Nut. N says as in nurse. O says as in ostrich. O says as in ostrich. O octopus. O omelette. O orange. O says as in ostrich. P says P as in peacock. P says P as in peacock. P parrot. P pear. P panda. P says P as in peacock. Q says Q as in quail. Q says Q as in quail. Quack, 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 queen. Quack, Q. Q says quack as in quail. R says as in rabbit. R says as in rabbit. Rat. Rose. Robot. R says as in rabbit. Yes says as in seal. Yes says as in seal. Saw. Sun. Scooter. Yes says as in seal. T says T as in tiger. T says T as in tiger. T table. T tap. T tap. T says T as in tiger. U says as in umpire. U says as in umpire. U says as in umpire. Umbrella. Anvil. U says as in umbrella. Umpire. V says V as in van. V says V as in van. Van. V violin. V wine. V vulture. V says V as in van. W says Va as in well. W says Va as in well. Well. V water. V wolf. V watch. W says Va as in well. X says X as in Xmas. X says X as in Xmas. Xmas, this is Xmas tree. X, xylophone. X, X-ray. X, Xmas turkey. X says X as in Xmas. Y says yeah as in yacht. Y says yeah as in yacht. Ya, yak. Ya, yarn. Ya, yellow. Y says ya as in yacht. Z says z as in zoo. Z says z as in zoo. Zoo. Z, zero. Z, zip. Z, zebra. Z says z as in zoo. Not Jew, not zebra, not jeep, not zero. It is zoo, zero, zero, zip, zebra. Okay, children, we come to the end of this phonetic sound of English alphabets. Please keep on practicing and take care. Bye.